Well, today we are going to talk about my exhaust, how much I paid for it, what kind of exhaust do I have, and how it sounds. So let's hop in the Challenger and go to a place together, so on the way you can hear the exhaust, and also then when we get there I can talk about what this exhaust actually is. Let's start the car and get there together. Sounds a little grumpy because I haven't driven her for 4 days. I drove it a little bit yesterday, but that's pretty much it. Let's hop on the GoPro in the back and drive the car together a little bit. Well, we just have arrived to the place I wanted to talk more about my exhaust, and I hope you guys enjoyed how the car sounds driving. And I might have or might have not stopped on the way to get coffee because I was really wanted some coffee. There's some snow on the ground still from the snow we had a couple days ago. It was a nice snowstorm, snow fell, and that's why the car is dirty now. But let's talk about my exhaust right now. Well, for starters, this is how it sounds when the car is idling. Let's just take a listen together. And the car is not in sport mode or not in track mode, and I don't have my taser on the car, which makes me be able to choose track mode and open up the valves that are still on the car. But let's get down to business and let me tell you what kind of exhaust I have or how much I've spent on it. Let me turn the car off first. Coffee is important. Well, in total I have spent only $350 for my exhaust. Only $350. First year when I bought the car, I took out the mid mufflers and I replaced them with something called mini race bullets by Dynamax. These things, and they cost me only $25 for each, and the whole mid muffler delete and having those on was a $150 job by one of our exhaust shops in the area. And after a year, what I did was taking my resonators out. As you can see in this photo, these are the mid mufflers that came on the car. I replaced them with the racing mini bullets by Dynamax, and also these are the active valves that came on the Challenger, and they were still there. And a year later I removed these resonators from the exhaust system. The only downfall to doing a resonator delete was having some drones when I was driving on the highway, but I believe that I'm kind of used to it now, therefore I'm not hearing it that much, but if someone else sits in the car, they can definitely tell when you're on the highway. There's a lot of exhaust drone. So if you are thinking about doing a resonator delete, just make sure that you're aware of that drone you will get from the resonator delete. But as you heard on the video already, I get a lot of crackles and pops when I downshift. When I even upshift, sometimes I get a lot of pops, which I love, and that's all been done by removing the mid mufflers and changing them with the Dynamax's racing mini bullets and resonator delete. That's all. Spent $350 on the whole thing, labor and part, and that's how it sounds right now. I almost forgot you guys. Let's hop in the car again together and go to the sunset spot so I can finish this video and take some photos of the car with the sunset. Well, I did go to my sunset spot, but it was occupied by a couple. Therefore, I came down here to finish the video. And with that being said, sun is so brutal because it's going down, and I had to have my glasses on in order to see, because if I don't have them on, I can't even open my eyes. It's really brutal. And that's pretty much it about my exhaust system, how much I paid for it, and what kind of material I used. And if you guys have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask me in the comment section down below. If you guys have any suggestions or any other things that you want to see about the Challenger, make sure to let me know in the comment section down below as well. And if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and also subscribe if you haven't already, and share this video with others that have Challengers or Chargers and you think they need a little bit more loud on their cars. Well, thanks again for watching. I'm gonna go catch the sunset and take some cinematic shots of the Challenger. And with that being said, always stay amazing, and see you guys in the next one.